that.
Oh, so you got everybody together.
And yesterday too, I didn't drag that.
Oh, that's good then. No problem. No.
Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. I'm taking everybody's picture today. Oh. Is that, who's that?
What's your name?
What's her name?
No, Kira.
Kira.
Who is Saba? No.
Oh. Nice.
Oh, that's Kira.
Oh, hi. Hi, guys. All right. Just say goodbye to everybody.
Uh-oh, he's
All right.
home.
Yeah. You ready to go home? Yeah? Rough day at school?
No?
No hugs?
Okay,
No hugs?
that's fine.
Oh, come on. Give me a hug.
No,
Oh, go ahead.
don't do that.
Ah, why did you? Oh, my goodness. All right, guys. Let's go. Let's pack it up. All right, should we pack it up? Mm-hmm.
You guys do book. This is your book. Okay?
There we are. Who's that? Oh, who's that?
Okay, be nice.
Oh. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, we're doing kisses and hugs over here right now. What's going on? Alright. Uh-oh.
Kira, don't rip the book. What's in your mouth?
What are you talking about? Oh, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo, sure. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. The peekaboo. Peekaboos. Ah.